What's up, everybody? It's your boy Khan, back with another video. Over the holidays, the Bandai Namco store had a holiday sale that lasted the entire Labor Day weekend. I decided to go ahead and take an advantage of this and got the Pac-Man World Re-Pac Chrome Noir Chogokin bundle. I remember when the remake first came out, I couldn't believe it. I was so hyped. Hey God!
Pac-Man's family has been kidnapped.
Oh, this was my game!
Eating dots isn't all you can do here.
Oh, this was my game on PlayStation. No, they didn't. The bundle comes with a copy of the game Pac-Man World, a 4-inch Noir Chogokin Pac-Man, a miniature Pac-Man, and 4 ghosts and a stand. Let's open it up and have a closer look. So the Pac-Man Chogokin bundle actually comes with the Pac-Man World Re-Pac game, and I decided to get the PlayStation 4 version because I already have the game for the Nintendo Switch. The box art for the Chogokin looks really good. I'm really liking the Noir colors. It's absolutely amazing. So the Chogokin actually comes with detachable hands. I'm not quite sure why. I don't know if that's due to easier packaging, or maybe you can switch out the hands with the other Chogokins. So you can open up the Chogokin, and there's a compartment in there for the mini Pac-Man that comes along with it. There's this little wheel on the bottom. I haven't figured out what that's for yet. You can also position the extremities the way you want them. I have noticed though that the Chogokin does not stand well on its own with the compartment open. The miniature Pac-Man is less than an inch tall, so I'm assuming it's going to be easy to lose. So I'm going to keep mine inside of the Chogokin. I definitely recommend keeping these away from kids and your pets. Okay, so the Chogokin also comes with a stand, and that stand inside has the 4 ghosts. The ghosts are identified by the eye color. So you have the red eyes, the blue eyes, the pink, and the orange. There are a pair of footprints into the center of the stand where the Chogokin fits perfectly. The Pac-Man Chogokin bundle is a must-have if you're a collector. I love the weight of it. It's very heavy and sturdy, and it has a metallic feel to it. And it's very durable. The Pac-Man Chogokin bundle makes a great addition to any Pac-Man lovers collection. If you made it this far, make sure you like the video. Comment down below if you think there's any other collections I should review. And subscribe so you don't miss a video. All right?